Hello, my name is Kate Parr, an academic advisor here at the Skills Centre. This screencast will show you how to register and book Skills Centre sessions using UniHub. To access UniHub, go to unihub.shu.ac.uk and follow the link. This will take you to UniHub, which is a university booking system for appointments and events. Choose Login as current student or staff, and if you're not already logged into Hallam, you'll be prompted to log in with your student ID and password. Enter your login details on the screen. The first time you log into UniHub, you will need to register and set preferences. Then you'll be able to make bookings for workshops and one-to-one appointments. If you see this screen, then choose Current Student under the View As option. On the next screen, it looks as if this is all about jobs, but you need to set your preferences by working down through the 5 drop boxes, choosing any topics that you may be interested in, even though you may not be looking for work. When you get to events, choose Academic Skills or Skills Centre. Save using the red Save button. You will not have to do this again once you have selected your preferences, but once completed, you will then be able to search for Skills Centre workshops and one-to-one appointments. The Skills Centre offers one-to-one tutorials open to any student. To search for and book Skills Centre one-to-one appointments, click on Appointments on the top tab and then select Academic Skills or Skills Centre. This will bring up all the available appointments in a calendar format. Click on the date of the appointment that you want. This will bring up details of the available appointments on that day. Click View Appointment and this will take you to the booking page where you can select whether you want a face-to-face appointment, online, or a telephone call appointment. You can also add any additional information that you want the advisor to know before they talk to you. Here you can add comments like, I need help with reflective writing, or can you show me how to do critical writing? You will need to select whether you'd like an online, one-to-one video call or phone call appointment. This is here. Please note the selected format will turn grey when selected as shown. For this appointment, I'm going to book a phone appointment. And then enter my phone number. But please enter your phone number when you're booking online face-to-face appointments too, as this will help if there are any technical issues. Thanks. You also have the option to add and upload documents. You can attach your assignments or module briefs for the advisors to look at in advance of the session or on the day. After this, you will get an email confirming your appointment and a reminder the day before. Now my booking is complete. If you have a learning difference or disability such as autism or dyslexia, you may want to book a specialist study skills appointment. These are delivered by advisors with additional expertise. To book these, click on the down arrow on the right of the advisors box and scroll down until you find Specialist Study Skills. These are here. Select the advisor you wish to book. Again, click View Appointment. Choose whether you want a face-to-face, online appointment or a phone appointment here, and add your phone number and additional comments and upload any documents just here. To book Skills Centre webinars and events, click on the Events tab on the top menu bar. Then type in the Skills Centre into the Search Events box. I am using Skills Centre webinar. Under type of event here, I'm just leaving it as any, and the same with campus, and then pressing the search bar on the right. This brings up a list of all the available workshops. Scroll through to see everything we have. More workshops are added fortnightly. To book, you can click on the title of the workshop and then click on the red book button. I now get a notice to say I'm booked into this event, and I will also get an email to confirm and a reminder to attend nearer the time. If you are still experiencing difficulties booking, then please email us at theskillscentre@shu.ac.uk. Thanks for listening.